Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by this morning. Of course, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder to head over to TipRanks TV to catch some great exclusive content. We just launched the latest episode of Analyzing for Alpha, where Hakeem takes a look if it's too late to buy one of Warren Buffett's latest purchases. Now, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures have moved to the red this morning following a sell-off yesterday as investors await inflationary data. The White House expects March's CPI inflationary number to be extraordinarily elevated due to Putin's price hike. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.05%, S&P 500 futures down 0.04%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.03%. Apple has started producing the iPhone 13 in India, a move that diversifies the production of its flagship model outside of China. According to a Reuters report, India is among the countries Apple is turning to as it tries to reduce its reliance on Chinese manufacturing. Their longtime manufacturing partner, Foxconn, is producing the iPhone 13 at a factory near Chennai in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. The iPhone 13 joins the iPhone 12, 11, and SE models that Apple already manufactures in India. Analysts rate the Apple stock a strong buy with an average upside of 16%. Canadian e-commerce platform Shopify is the latest to announce a stock split as they plan for a 10-for-1 split to make their stock more accessible. Additionally, the company is seeking shareholder approval for the founder share for its CEO Toby Lutke, which will increase his voting power to 40% of the total voting power attached to all of the company's outstanding shares. Shopify is slated for an annual and special meeting of shareholders to be held on June 7, 2022, at which the company is proposing to undertake changes to its existing governance structure that will be in the best interest of the company and its stakeholders. Analysts are currently divided on the stock, and it comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 59%. And biopharmaceutical company Veru has posted overwhelmingly positive results in their Phase 3 clinical trial of sabizabulin. The drug is designed to decrease COVID-19 patients' chance of death. The analysis included 150 hospitalized COVID-19 patients who were at high risk for ARDS, or acute respiratory distress syndrome. Following the positive update, the Veru stock shot up over 182% yesterday. They now plan to submit an application for emergency use authorization with the FDA. The stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 115%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Not many big names reporting today, but things start to pick up tomorrow when we'll be hearing from JP Morgan, BlackRock, Delta Airlines, and Bed Bath & Beyond. Just this morning, we heard from CarMax, who came in with earnings that missed analyst expectations. For their fourth quarter, CarMax reported earnings per share of 98 cents when the consensus earnings estimate was $1.28 per share. Revenue came in at $7.7 billion, which was in line with expectations. That revenue grew 48.8% on a year-over-year basis. Their stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of over 26%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Chinese e-vapor company RLX Technology. It seems that recent changes in the company's board committee for complying with the relevant New York Stock Exchange's listing requirements has driven investor optimism. Under the ticker RLX, they're currently up over 13%. They're followed by Veru under the ticker VERU. Their stock is up over 11% following their positive clinical trial data. And Ermenegildo Zegna under the ticker ZGN. They're up 6.5% on no distinct news. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Victoria's Secret. They seem to be cooling off from gains yesterday following a $70 price target. Under the ticker VSCO, the stock is currently down over 6%. They're followed by the Philips stock under the ticker PHG. Their stock is down 4.5%, following some analyst downgrades to their ratings. And Archaea Energy under the ticker LFG. Their stock is down 4.3% after being downgraded to a sell at Zacks. So that is going to be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you head over to TipRanks TV and say good morning in the comments over there. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.